Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the channel. It is time for another unbagging. Maybe a little earlier than I anticipated in doing this one because I need what's in here. So let's move the microphone a little bit here. We will grab our trusty knife and crack into here very carefully. So you can probably already see, I love this thing. I'm going to make a video about this, but you can get this file on MakerWorld. It is the coolest print I have ever done. Maybe, I don't know. But the fact that somebody could design and 3D print an out the front utility knife blows me away. Anyway, let's see what we got in here. There's only 3 items. This will be a quick one. And look at that. Looks pretty similar, right? I decided that I wanted to get another silicone mat for these repair projects. And this one's slightly different. It's smaller. I think this one I ordered from Amazon, and it's a little bit bigger of a mat. This one, does it say anywhere on here? I don't think it says. I'd have to go and look at my receipt to see which one I chose as far as the size. But you can see it's about the length of my forearm. So probably, I think maybe about, I don't know, 18 inches, 20 inches or so. And then a little bit less that in height. This one actually does have some little parts box here that they have lids. So I thought that was kind of neat. But it also has these little screw locations. And I don't know when I'm going to post this one, but when I was working on fixing my camera, these were invaluable because I took this little clipboard here and I started writing down where each screw came from as I was doing it. And I got up to 53. There were 53 screws that I removed in the course of that repair. So having this is just going to come in handy. Like I said, I just thought I'd grab another one. I'll probably put it on the table that's behind me. And if I need to have one for another project, then I can do that. I was gonna say, I feel like I'm missing some stuff. The second item that we have here, this is what I needed to grab today. It would have been nice if maybe they did. Was that in the bag? Did I cut through the bag? I did cut through the bag. One of the problems with using a knife I didn't even think about this at the time that I bought it, but in one of my previous unbaggings, I bought this UV glue, which I've used a couple of times now, and it's really great. It comes in handy. And I believe I got UV glue, and then I also got some green solder mask, and I've got a little UV light. I don't remember which one of them came with this little assortment of tips, but as you can see, there's 5 or 6 tips in here. And these are not something that you're necessarily going to be able to reuse. Initially, when I used the first 2, I took this little cap and put some alcohol in it, and I was hoping I could maybe clean them, because I'm cheap. But it's UV glue. It's a super tiny little hole, and they're going to get gummed up. It's a one-time use type of thing. So I went back on AliExpress and I ordered 100 of these or something like that, 50. 100, but now I have plenty, and I don't have to worry about using the UV glue and not having a tip when I need it. And I think I'm going to need one, so we will use that. And then last but not least, in my repair journey, sometimes you will come across a solder, whether it's something that you've done, you've damaged it in some way during removal, or again, in my camera repair, when I broke that HDMI connector, I was really worried that I would have some broken traces on the board. And so I went ahead and ordered these. Let me switch over to the microscope here, and we'll take a look at these under the microscope. So what we have here is some little tiny copper traces. And as you can see, there's a number of different sizes. Some of them are just going to be the dots, the holes, whatever, but we've got all these different sizes now of these traces. You can see some of them are actually kind of pulling up. So Those are precision cut, and now I have these little traces here that should I need to do some circuit board repair and replace a trace, I actually have those pads that I can, put on there. So that's just something that I think will come in handy down the road. So sort of nice to have on hand before you need it. So that's just something that I'm going to put in the old toolbox. All right, there you got it. Another fun, quick AliExpress unbagging. Thanks for sticking around. You know the drill. Hit all the buttons. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.